and futhi iphi imarch and march ne-operation Dudula manifuneka niyafuneka ke manje niyafuneka orandakezwa an opportunity of employment has risen, a job opportunity has risen niyafuneka le OR Tambo Johannesburg International Airport anizwanga ukuthi sekunomsebenzi nambe niyoprotect ama-state resources we-country niyoprotect ama-interest wama-South Africans naba abantu belenda ngama-passport OR Tambo no stamp of exit from the countries they're coming from akwaziyo ukuthi baphumaphi other than what they're verbally saying ukuthi they're coming from akwaziwa they were not expected nothing iphi ke i-operation Dudula ne-march and march makunje nenzeni umsebenzi nitrendele izinto ezi-right oh well but ngizihluphelani ngenibiza ngoba ngikhohliwe ukuthi nina le movement yenu don't deserve to even be called the movement whatever that you call yourself angazi nokuthi ngithini ngikhohliwe ukuthi ni specialize nje kuphela ngomuntu omnyama konje nina nimachisa umuntu omnyama nje kuphela ngithi nidudula back foreign nationals abamnyama ama movement when only deal with black people niyafuneka a opportunity for you of employment has risen lapha OR Tambo ngiyasho nokuthi whoever shipped the people to South Africa like that no communication whatsoever manje immigration is all over the place home affairs immigration trying to make sure ukuthi they give the people ama-isalams so that they come into the country properly. I think whoever done this deed is making a bold statement to say, yeah, angithi nina president yenu Cupcake uhambile wayovula a case of genocide against Israel for Palestinians. So manje this is their statement clap back to say niyabafuna ngithi labantu bathathe na sinipha bona siyadelelwa nje kahle thina ezumzansi siyadeleliwe vele nje kathiwa angithi South Africa you've challenged Israel and the Americans, so take time and see what you do. Wow.
Sanibonani bantwana basekhaya. Sacela nambeni niyobheka lo sisi. Niyobheka iFacebook yalo sisi uThobza. I'm so disappointed kumuntu wesifazane onje. I'm so disappointed. Yabona ukuthi asindawo eSouth Africa makusese khona abantu abaso. Makusese khona abantu abanje eSouth Africa we're not going anywhere. I don't know ukuthi bekazama ukutrenda or bekazama ukenzani. The way she spoke about the Operation Dudula ne March to March. These are the sells out. Yiyo ama sell out lawo. Yibo abantu abasibambezelayo ukuthi country rate ibuye. They celebrating any opportunities abayitholayo ukuthi basicekele phansi laba. So much disappointed kulo sisi. Ngicela nambeni nobheka ivideo yalo sisi. I don't know ukuthi ucabanga kanjani. Azangazi ukuthi ucabanga kanjani, or she was high or she was drunk makayenza le video. I don't understand. 157 or 153, let me say 160 Palestinians landed at OR Tambo airport yesterday, and then she's making fun. We have a problem. Mele ngabe uyabona ukuthi umsebenzi we-Operation Dudula ne-March to March ukuthi ubaluleke kangakanani. We have a problem. Makaceda yena azothi i-Operation Dudula ne-March to March na umsebenzi. sisenkingeni siyi-country mase sinabantu abacabanga kanje. These people abacabanga so sisenkingeni. I'm so much disappointed kulo sisi. So much disappointed kulo sisi. Cela nambeni niyombheka lo sisi guys. Enimaziyo nimkhuze. Sikwatile si South Africa. We don't need ukuthi sijikelane sodwa. This is not a time to fight alone. We have a lot in hand. This is not a time ukuthi silwe sodwa. Sisi, Thobza. This is not the right time, mama, for le energy osinika yona. This is not the right time. Sikwatile country, sikwatile. This is not the right time for such post. Come on, sisi, come on. I'm so much disappointed in you. Abamazi abamkhuze tu. Abamkhuze because sine crisis in South Africa, sine crisis. We are trying every day ukulwa nabantu bokufika. We are trying every day to keep abantu bokufika. But khona abantu abangayiboni important talent esiyenzwa ama movement Operation Tudula ne March to March. Who said we are fighting the black skin only? Because we are shutting down a tuck shop or Makula every now and then. We are fighting against the government. It's not easy when you fight against the government because the very same government bamela abantu bokufika. Now manje kulende iplane from Palestinians with illegal refugees. The government allowed them to enter our country. So how do you expect the movement to be successful if either we are fighting against the government? Vuka sisi la qaqebupende man. You know, beauty with no brains. Beauty with no brains is useless. Qaqebupende la qaqebupende. Susa peanut butter emehlweni. Susa peanut butter emehlweni. Susa peanut butter Thobza emehlweni. We are fighting against the government. It's not easy. This movement is not easy. When you think it's a game, it's fun. It's not easy. Akhumbula amagama kaBra Ike ukuthi yazi if either it was back then abantu ngabe bakufaka in-necklace. Beyofakwa in-necklace. Guys, so disappointed in this woman. Yo waze wasihlaza sifune sibhizi nge-shutdown waze wasihlaza. Uzositshela ukuthi wena une legal movement. So are you doing these political games because your movement is legal? It's now amanye movement, the government is fighting against them. When you think this is politics? Keshe, wake up, sisi. Keshe, wake up. Keshe, wake up. Nyakuzwa ukuthi wena ufole ema-clinic. Are you saying this because you are not affected by the situation affects abantu abasemalokishini? Are you saying this because when you are fortunate enough ukuthi ukwazi ukubhadala udoctor? Here's the problem, South Africans. We won't win. We won't win because we are not united. We are not united. Asibambananga. Asibambananga. Sisi, stop it, please. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. This lady has angered most South Africans ngevideo yakhe la indile, and it's not the first time. Always uhlala against the Operation Tudula any march and march. She's someone ukuthi defend ama-foreigners. Umuntu nje lahlala khuluma ngokuthi ama-foreigners akufanele aqoshwe. Operation Tudula lento labayendako ukuthi baqoshe ama-foreigners wrong ne-march and march. So always nje uhlezi against ma-South Africans. So ivideo yakhe leni security-le kakhulu lapha etinkundleni zokuxhumana ishiye abantu abaningi badumele basho ukuthi as long as esana labantu labacabanga ngale ndlela eSouth Africa ma-foreigners asatohlala eSouth Africa asatoqhamuka futhi ngebuningi. Bekakhuluma ngale ndzaba yama-foreigners lafike lapha e-OR Tambo lalende itolo la i-close to 160 akhona. So bekakhuluma ngako ukuthi i-Operation Dudula yingani manje kubavimba na umsebenzi for bona because bahlezi batenda bantu lababhizi baqosha ama-foreigners abahambe baye e-OR Tambo bayoqosha laba labaqeda kufika nyalo. So bani bayasho nje ukuthi probably this girl she's sleeping with Nigerians because why always ahlezi defender ma-foreigners. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.